great pleasure and pride.
So as we get in here to share a vision that... Want to turn to the right? Want to turn to the right? Want to turn to the right? Want to turn to the right?
And you're bowing into competition for the first time, right?
Yes, I am. It is my first time.
What prompted you to?
Well, I decided that I wanted to lose some weight because I've not been active in dancing for a while. I'm a natural dancer. And my coach, Rohan, who is also a friend of fitness, he saw me and he said that he wanted for me to enter a competition. I did not know anything about it. I decided to try something new. I told him yes, and the rest is history.
Okay, and how has preparation been going so far?
It has been intense. I am not going to lie. It's not an easy process, but I'm loving the journey.
Why did you decide to enter this year?
I believe it was time now to really put my body to the test and put my mental health and strength to the test. Rather, I believe I have the capabilities, and I've been told many times that I should try out. And I felt that this was the time, and I was ready. So that's why.
How has the preparation been going so far for you?
Preparation has been a journey for sure. Granted, I'm usually accustomed to dieting myself, but this type of dieting is a lot different and a lot more strenuous on the your mental strength too, apart from just the body.
Shake it on your back. Your stage presence. Your first one, social display, pulling out the front line. You have
So the feedback from athletes has been very excellent, quite positive. As it relates to the novice and junior competition, we have over 40 competitors. Most of those are new competitors. And what's interesting for us is the majority of the persons in the novice are being trained by seniors, which suggests to us that seniors actually enjoy participating. And there's a very good relationship between persons recommending other persons in the gym, friends, family members, to participate in the novice and junior competition and transition to the seniors and other events.